Today in this video we will learn about how can I set up automation crons from my Cpanel for Whmcs. In order to set automation crons, log into Whmcs and then go to Setup section and then click on Automation Settings. Now here, under Automation Settings, copy the Cron command given at the top of the screen. Now go ahead and set a cron job for this command. For that, log into Cpanel and then go to Cron Job section. Now here, select the frequency of the cron job and enter the command below. Make sure you select once a day and then click on Add a Cron Job. Hence, your cron job is now set up successfully.